It says we're recording.
Does it really? Yeah. Oh my God. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Westen. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing wonderful. We got us a new camera. We're gonna see if it works. Maybe it does, maybe it don't.
Yeah, like watch this. Wait. Whoa!
Yeah, you can show all that stuff over there. We can't show all the good projects over here. Them are a secret. So today we got to pull the rat's nest out of this tractor. There's a couple snake skins in there that Waylon's gonna get pulled out. And he's really excited about the situation. He's gonna find him a couple nope ropes or danger noodles or whatever you want to call them in there.
I don't think so. It's too cold out now.
Well, where do you think snakes go when it gets cold?
I don't know. I thought they went to like Florida.
See you, goddamn copperhead. It's cold here in Kansas. Pack my bags, honey. Get the hell out of here. A lot of you might want a satisfying power washing video. So we're gonna power wash it, we're gonna clean it out, and we're gonna try to make it run a little better. Now, if you guys did not watch the last video, I said I was gonna put a set of injectors in this tractor because it smokes a little bit. But in standard parts store fashion, they got me the wrong injectors. And ended up the right injectors are a lot more money. So we're gonna try to salvage these injectors until I have to break down and actually buy a set. We're gonna try. If we can't, we'll just break down and buy a set. But we're gonna try all of our cheap fixes first. Anyway, let's get it cleaned out. We should be able to get it cleaned out. I hope we can. I got faith in it. So basically, I just got off the phone with Nap up there. They got 2 fuel filters for this tractor up there that we're gonna go get. Now, fuel filters are not gonna fix our issue because if the fuel filters was clogged, it would probably just not run very good or not have full power. We've got plenty of power, it's just smoking. So what it could be is one of our injectors could be dirty. So this is just kind of an old farmer's fix. We're gonna put new fuel filters on it, and we're gonna pre-fill the filters with transmission fluid. Now what that's going to do is when we pre-fill the filters, transmission fluid has a lot of detergents in it. It's probably the best injector cleaner for diesels you could get. Like you ever pour transmission fluid on concrete?
We're about to blow away.
Are we?
Yeah.
But well,
look at the trees.
That's all right. Them trees are fine. But anyway, transmission fluid has a hell of a lot of detergents in it just to keep transmissions clean. And we pre-fill that in there. They'll run on transmission fluid just as easily as they will diesel. And we'll run that through the injectors, and hopefully that'll fix it. And the reason we do that is, you know, it might fix it, it might not, but it's something you always want to try because it's a very easy fix. And if it's just a dirty injector, it keeps us from having to buy a set of injectors, which, now that I found the right set of injectors, are a little bit more expensive than I thought. But for those of you that don't know, if your engine's running bad, especially your diesel engine, don't try this on a gasoline. Pour you some transmission fluid in the filters, put you some new filters on there. It might come out of it. It fixed Clifford after all. Looky here, we got Clifford the big red truck back to the channel. You know, you always got all them good looking trucks you run to town with, but when it comes down to getting some work done, old Clifford's there for you. But this running board's getting ready to fall off. I need some new ones. We have got both of our new fuel filters here. I'm gonna find me a filter wrench down here somewhere. There it is. And we're gonna take our old fuel filters off, fill these up with transmission fluid, put these on, and then try to start it. Maybe we ought to try to start it first, that way it's warmed up. Actually, it's a good starting tractor. It don't need that much. All right, let's do it. Let's do it to it. What says how to do it right here? Bowl, heater element.
This is ancient technology.
Let's look at the cryptograph. What do they call that thing in ancient Egypt?
I thought they used a tablet.
The Rosetta Stone is a tablet.
Off the Graph tablet?
I think you're thinking of Yu-Gi-Oh!
No, that's not at the museum.
Oh.
That's a long bolt that runs through. Looky there, we figured it out. Ooh, got diesel in it. This got a primer bulb on it. By chance? Might be something that'd be worth checking out.
It's a piston on you, Westen.
No, it's not. It's just
leaking power.
That's right. It's leaking power. Ooh, look at that. Is that algae or is that rust? I think that's rust.
That looks like shingles.
Here, you want it? There you go. Actually,
Take that bowl off.
come here. Okay, you stay there. So we got our new fuel filter, which is a Napa Gold. I use Napa Gold filters on pretty much everything. And this is our old one, which as you can see, we already poured it out. But there was a bunch of nasty crud in there. So we're gonna go ahead and try to pull this thing out of here. Pop this off. We're gonna pre-fill this filter with transmission fluid. And then put this filter on, then we'll take off the other filter and do the same with it. Bad with this filter is you can see it's full of rust, and this filter, they don't even make this part number filter anymore, so this filter is more than 10, 15 years old. And it was so covered in grease that we know this filter's been on the tractor when it was being run, and it was like it had grease caked on it that much. So I don't know if this fuel filter's been changed in a long time. Don't that look like strawberry jam? Strawberry syrup? You love strawberry syrup, don't you?
What's so hard about this, Westen?
It's not that hard.
You're saying it was going to be a B.
Well, I didn't realize exactly how these filters came off. It's been a long time since I've ever messed with a filter like this. I've got a good feeling that this will make it run better. Alright guys, so we got the new fuel filters on there. The battery's dead on the tractor because it's old and decrepit. Kind of like my brother. Hey, that's not very nice. So we're going to take and see if this thing will start. I got faith in it, it should. Alright, is it neutral? You got your clutch down? Alright. You got your foot pedal?
Yeah.
You got your clutch?
Yeah.
You got a snake in your boot?
Nope.
No?
Not yet.
Here, go ahead and put one in there. Now it'll definitely start. You gotta have a snake in your boot for this tractor to start. Alright, push down your clutch. We'll be back with you momentarily as soon as the battery charges up a little more.
Do I need to take the snake out of my boot?
I don't know. Does he need to take the snake out of his boot? Yeah, I guess you can go ahead and take it out. That is how you know there was some danger noodles in this tractor. That's a copperhead, ain't it?
Looks like it.
Looks like a copperhead. Expertly cataloged right down there on the ground and not near me. I had to go down to the neighbor and steal his battery.
Fire department's here.
We brought that in case we catch it on fire. Who knows what's gonna happen?
When did you go firefighter?
You want to set that on the back of my truck? Alright. Hopefully this one works a little better. I'm just getting up here to make sure we got enough fuel in it, but what we can do is we can take and put a little bit of air pressure on top of this fuel, and when we do that, it'll pressurize the tank. We don't need to pressurize it very much, just enough that we get all the air blown out of the lines and get fuel back up to the fuel filters, and then it should crank over and start. So we're going to start up the air compressor, put a little bit of air into this fuel, and should fire up. I got faith in it.
How about we name her Turbo?
Turbo?
Turbo.
I've seen that a couple in the comment section. Turbo or Cummins?
Turbo, Cummins, or Diesel.
We could have a cat named Cummins.
Well, I don't know. That's more like a boy's name, isn't it? I think it's a girl. Responded.
You want to know something? That cat wants whatever that thing is on top of that camera. He's like, is that a dead mouse? We're going to have to watch out. The cat scan might cost a lot of money. Yeah, that was a lot better joke in my mind.
All I did was pull that line back.
There it is. All right, put it back on. It working? Well guys, it is the next day, and yesterday we had a little bit of trouble getting the old big blue started after we changed the fuel filters. Anyway, she was airlocked, and I mean airlocked bad. Whatever dummy at Ford didn't put a primer bulb on this thing, my God. But anyway, we finally got the air purged out of the filters, and then instead of burning up the starter and running our battery dead, we just decided just to pull start the tractor. That way we could get it running a lot easier. So after we pull started it, we evicted a tenant out of it that was currently living there, and you know, it made its happy home out in the field, and we got it running, and the transmission fluid really didn't even help us any. It is still smoking just as much as it was beforehand. So I think I narrowed it down to number 3 injector is just stuck wide open, just dumping raw fuel in at all times. So I ordered an injector through New Holland for this tractor. The closest one they had was in Ontario, Canada. So it's gonna be here in a few days, and we'll put an injector in it. But I think let's get this thing cleaned up so it looks like brand new. Sound like a plan? Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. Be clean, tractor, be clean! Boof. We need like a big scrubbing bubbles. Like, we need somebody dressed up as a scrubbing bubbles man. Get after it. Why is everybody pointing at somebody else? Yeah, see, the camera doesn't work very well, Garrett, if you don't hit the record button.
Okay, well we didn't. Okay.
But that's all right. We'll record the rest of it.
It's the sign of the times, bitter taste of your lies. No one got what they came for. So you think it can cheat? Give us all we can eat without something to live for. Want to be part of something. I am afraid of losing my mind. Headlights are blinding me, I can't find nothing to care about, no one to dream about.
Updates.
The game's going good. The other team is really tough. Duran Grimes just been kicking my butt. I've got a secret weapon for the last quarter. And now, I don't care how many downs they got, they're screwed.
I don't think Bobby Boucher can keep up with that one.
You don't think so? Who's
Yeah.
Bobby Boucher? Oh! Look at that! It's a mower! Is it? Well, guys, don't it look like brand new? Like I said there earlier, we already got an injector ordered up there in Wichita. It should be in sometime this week. They had to order the thing all the way from Canada. So, you know, this tractor will be very polite after we're done. That being said, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And you know what? I will see you guys next time. Oh, and follow us over on Instagram. We post updates over there. See ya.